Have you ever pondered the profound connection between your oral health and your overall vitality? In an era where our diets are often dominated by sugary beverages, carb-heavy snacks, and processed edibles, the importance of monitoring our oral health cannot be overstated. Imagine, if you will, the sensation of a gritty, sticky residue as you glide your tongue over your teeth. That is plaque, a bacterial film that thrives on the sugars and starches we ingest. If left to its own devices, plaque solidifies into tartar, a catalyst for a multitude of oral health complications. Plaque is essentially a bacterial film that forms on teeth. It feeds on sugars and starches, producing acids that erode tooth enamel and lead to cavities. If it's allowed to gather, plaque solidifies into tartar, a substance that only a dental professional can remove. When plaque and tartar go untreated, they can trigger gingivitis, periodontitis, and even loss of teeth. Gingivitis, marked by inflamed, bleeding gums, can escalate into periodontitis, a severe gum infection that harms the tissues supporting your teeth. Beyond cavities and gum disease, subpar oral hygiene can result in halitosis or bad breath, which can negatively impact your social interactions and self-confidence. One strategy to combat the buildup of plaque and tartar is the use of baking soda. Baking soda serves as a natural abrasive, efficiently eliminating plaque and surface stains from teeth. It also counteracts the acids that cause tooth decay and balances mouth pH, fostering an environment less conducive to harmful bacteria. Moreover, baking soda possesses whitening and antibacterial properties, making it a valuable asset in maintaining oral health. To integrate baking soda into your regimen, combine a pea-sized toothpaste with a small sprinkle of baking soda on your toothbrush. Gently mix them using the bristles. Brush your teeth as usual with gentle circular motions. After 2 minutes, rinse your mouth with water. Remember to spit out the mixture, avoiding swallowing. Numerous toothpaste brands incorporate baking soda. Opting for pure baking soda provides you with unparalleled advantages. Furthermore, it serves as a cost-effective and environmentally friendly substitute for conventional toothpaste options. While the benefits of baking soda are significant, it's paramount to concentrate on overall lifestyle choices and dietary habits to maintain peak oral health. Eating a well-rounded diet rich in whole foods, maintaining hydration, and following good oral hygiene habits such as consistent brushing and flossing are essential. Consistent brushing and flossing are essential oral hygiene practices that help maintain healthy teeth and gums. Brushing removes plaque and food particles from the surfaces of the teeth, while flossing cleans between the teeth and along the gum line, where a toothbrush may not reach effectively. These routines help prevent tooth decay, gum disease, and other oral health issues. Remember, your oral health mirrors your overall health. Small alterations to your routine and a focus on dental care can set you on a path towards a lifetime of healthy smiles. If this information proved useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Your feedback is important to us, so please leave a comment below with your experiences and suggestions for future topics. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.